So this is just a very quick intro tutorial to getting started with DaVinci Resolve, and in under a minute understanding how to make an extremely simple video to just make it look cleaner than if you were to just record something on your phone and submit it. So this is DaVinci Resolve and how it's going to open whenever you first open the program. You're going to want to come down here to these two bars, which is the Edit tab. I normally make this a little bit smaller because this is just your media pool, and this is where you're going to see your video timelines and your audio timelines. Then we're going to open up the videos, and for putting in a video, it's as simple as selecting them and drag them to your media pool from whatever folder. This will automatically come up. It's a great feature on DaVinci Resolve where it can automatically change your frame rate, and you just hit change. And now your timeline will be set up at the resolution and frame rate that you have in your video. Then for very quick editing, this isn't for any actual video creation that I'm doing. These are just sample videos that I am going to make a video from. You can just click and drag onto your timeline, and here you'll see your video and audio. Whichever video you have on top is going to be the one that's being displayed. So if I move my timeline here, you'll see once we get there, the video changes. Then the quick simple hotkeys, you want to make sure this magnet here is white. It should be white by default, but if it's gray, just click it, because what that does is it makes your moving clips magnetize to the edge. Or if you move your timeline here and you want this to overlap here, it will snap and magnetize onto your timeline. Then some other quick things you're going to want to know is spacebar is play, so your video will start and pause. Then you can use your left and right arrows on your keyboard to go frame by frame to find a specific point you want to cut. And then you can also use to split in half, Control B, and you'll see here that cut the video in half. And if you want to just trim and get rid of the end, you can either just hit delete on the clip you selected, or if you want to make it come back, you can see this icon come up on the side like it's hugging the bar when you're in the middle, and you can just drag it right to where you want it to cut back to. And then if you're going to export, you just go here, and like saving any sort of file like Microsoft Word, you just pick your title, select where you want to save it. You can go to videos or any other that you make. This should by default be in a good setting for good quality. Select add to render queue. It will show up here, and you just select render all. And when it finishes, it will be one video file saved in the folder you chose. Hope that helped, and enjoy.